Okay, so this is the Whirlpool front-loading washer and dryer set that I have. Over here is the washer. You can see HE detergent, fabric softener, and bleach right there. Inside here is the drum, and over here is the controls. You press power, and then it shows up some options. You got cold wash, normal, whites, heavy, towels, color last, sanitize, clean washer, drain skin, wash and dry, quick wash, delicates, and back to normal. And then you can set a delay time over here if you want to do it like that. If you want to do that, but anyways, it reminds you to put in detergent. That's why it's saying that. Here's all the controls, what I had it last on. And yeah, that's all it is for the washer. Yeah, I do have some storage down here with a pedestal. Dryer, pretty much same deal. And that's casual, delicates, quick dry, time dry, and steam refresh, sanitize, towels, heavy, bulky, and normal, casual too. And this is just all the options it has. And the model number is down here, where the it's actually up here. WFW92HEFW. And yeah, inside the dryer it has like a little, that's the baffles. That's a big vent that spews out all the heat. It is an Energy Star qualified dryer. And we're gonna put this down to 1 minute so I can demo it. Air only. Anyways, cycle thing, drum line, and then you can see I have some dryer balls in there and stuff. And yes, it's made in America. Has some more storage not being used. For those who asked, yes, this is an electric, not gas dryer, not natural gas or propane, anything like that. It's just a normal electric Whirlpool front-loading dryer to match the washing machine. And I have my hot water tank on there. And then, see, it does a great job cleaning clothes. I mean, good for a front loader. These are the 2017 model year, I think. And you can see the controls up there. It'll sing its little song when it's done. Yes. Well, thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.